Right here we have a diagram of a compound microscope. As we have said, we'll check it with the help of compound microscope. So here it is. Here, so first of all, we have an eyepiece with the help of which we can observe the slide. Okay, this is known as body tube. Okay, that is called coarse adjustment, with the help of which we can adjust this screw and adjust the focus of the microscope. This is called fine adjustment. This is called arm, with the help of which we can hold the microscope. Objective lens are there. These lenses are movable. We can shift the focus where we get the clean image. This is called stage, that is microscopic slide on which we will put the slide and observe it. This is called mirror, with the help of which it captures the light and put towards the microscope so that we are able to see the object. That is called base of the microscope. This is called swivel. Okay, so what do we observe as we look through the lens? When we are looking in the lens, so what we observe here, we observe this kind of cells in an onion peel. This kind of cells in an onion peel. These are small cells. Inside it, nucleus is present. So, in an onion peel, when we are looking in the microscope, here these kinds of cells are present. These kinds of cells are present. Inside it, one nucleus is present in the center, and this shaped cells will observe in the microscope.